After the last call, standing like a bird on alarm, wondering, do I fly or fall? As I read out the writing on the wall, I never knew what I had until I lost it all. And I don't want to change a goddamn thing, 'cause only God knows what change will bring. Keep on dreaming about a waking soul, the sound of a siren howling at the moon, the sound of siren ringing in my ears, the sound of siren bring me closer to my fears. And I've been banned from bars, kicked out from Mars, don't count on nobody, just started counting stars. Lost in space, I've been gone for so long. Death showed her face and I sang her a song. She started crying and I asked what's wrong. She looked for a way to find another way to blow my mind. But she came back, wanted to belong. I said, will is weak, but your love is strong. Your will is weak, but your love is strong. So keep on dreaming, but awaken soon. The sound of the siren howling at the moon, the sound of the siren hanging in my ears, the sound of the siren bring me closer to my tears, the sound of the siren howling at